This battery is one of the largest battery energy storage systems in the world.
In Moss Landing, California, PG&E has been working with Tesla to install its Megapack utility-scale battery storage system. Once complete, it will help store energy for redistribution during off hours when solar output decreases. As nations around the world set goals to transition to renewables, demand for these large-scale storage systems is on the rise. The market size of grid-scale battery storage is expected to become a $15 billion market by 2027.
Welcome everyone to basically the announcement of Tesla Energy.
Tesla got into the energy business in 2015, and it's betting it will become increasingly important for the company. In 2020, it surpassed 3 gigawatt-hours of energy storage deployments in a single year, largely due to the popularity of Megapack, like the one being built in Moss Landing.
I think long-term Tesla Energy will be roughly the same size as Tesla Automotive. The energy business collectively is bigger than the automotive business.
Lithium-ion batteries are now everywhere, from electric vehicles to our phones. Though there are many other types of batteries in the works, lithium-ion is still the most cost-effective for utility-scale storage. With the world transitioning to electric vehicles, demand for electricity could be greater than ever before.
People are moving towards electric vehicles. Roughly, you need twice as much electricity if all transport goes electric, and then you need 3 times as much electricity if all heating goes electric. This is a prosperous future, I think, both for Tesla and for the utilities.
And with the recent failure of the power grid in Texas and brownouts in places like California, energy storage is becoming necessary to keep power up and running. Tesla built one of its storage systems on the Hawaiian island of Kauai in 2017. In addition to supporting the Solar City solar farm, it's added more reliability for the utility. In the US and around the world, more aggressive energy storage policies are being put in place. China has mandated energy storage as part of its effort to reach 16.5% solar and wind in its national power targets by 2025. Tesla is one of several companies working on energy storage. AES Corporation has been working on a number of projects, most notably with Kauai Island Utility Cooperative. In 2019, it completed a 28-megawatt solar farm with a battery capable of storing 100 megawatt-hours, and it just brought a microgrid online at the island's Pacific Missile Range facility. With the success of these projects, the utility cooperative is working with AES on a new project to combine solar and hydro for even greater storage capacity. Next to the PG&E and Tesla storage project in Moss Landing, Vistra is also building one of the largest battery systems at its natural gas power plant. Phase 1 of the project was completed in December of 2020, bringing 300 megawatts of storage capacity online. Phase 2 will add an additional 100 megawatts when it's completed later this summer.
We need to do everything we possibly can to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy.
Tesla launched its energy business in 2015 with the announcement of a new battery product.
So this is a product we call the Tesla Powerwall. It has all of the integrated safety systems, the thermal controls, the DC to DC converter. It's designed to work very well with solar systems right out of the box. People in a remote village or an island somewhere can take solar panels, combine it with the Tesla Powerwall, and never have to worry about having electricity lines.
And for larger scale applications, Tesla developed the PowerPack.
What about something that scales to much larger levels? So for that, we have something else. So we have the PowerPack. So the Tesla PowerPack is designed to scale infinitely. So you literally make this into a gigawatt-hour class solution.
In the summer of 2016, Tesla acquired Solar City for $2.6 billion. The deal was controversial and is still the subject of some shareholder suits, but it drove Tesla to do more in energy storage. Tesla has unveiled several solar roof tiles and has hyped the product, but installations have not grown as quickly as expected. Just recently, Tesla updated the Powerwall 2, doubling the capacity of energy it can discharge.
All Powerwalls made since roughly November of last year have a lot more peak power capability than the specification on the website. The energy is the same, but the power is roughly double.
According to the company, demand has been so high, Tesla is now only selling Powerwalls bundled with its solar products.
We will not sell a house solar without a Powerwall.
A Tesla Powerwall 2 has an energy capacity of 13.5 kilowatt hours. A Model S has up to a 100 kilowatt hour battery. PowerPack, its smallest utility-scale storage solution, has a capacity of up to 232 kilowatt hours per unit. This can be scaled up to include several power packs to meet energy needs. Tesla's first major battery installation near Jamestown, South Australia, had a capacity of 129 megawatt hours. At the time of its completion in December 2017, it was the largest lithium-ion battery storage project in the world. The system charges using renewable energy from the Hornsdale wind farm and helped bring more stability to the grid following a significant blackout. Based on studies observing its first and second year of use, Tesla's Australia battery system has proven to be reliable and has saved the utility company money. With the success of this project, Australia is looking to bring more lithium-ion battery storage systems online. Another project Tesla took on was in Kauai, replacing diesel-fueled generators that were supplying power when solar couldn't. The project consisted of a 52 megawatt-hour battery and a 13 megawatt Solar City photovoltaic system. Kauai Island Utility Cooperative contracted with Tesla to purchase electricity over a 20-year period for 13.9 cents per kilowatt hour. Since the Tesla and AES projects, Kauai Island Utility Cooperative has been able to operate nearly on all renewable energy. Similar to Kauai, Tesla completed a project on the island of Tau in American Samoa, which was previously powered by diesel generators. Tesla installed 5,328 solar panels and 60 power packs, and said this would allow the island to stay powered for 3 days without sunlight. Tesla says it will offset the island's use of more than 109,000 gallons of diesel per year. And when Puerto Rico's utility infrastructure was devastated in 2017 during Hurricane Maria, Musk took to Twitter suggesting Tesla could help. In 2018, ongoing outages left Puerto Rico without power, so Tesla brought in power packs to several critical sites around the island. Another one of Tesla's early projects went online in December 2016 to help reduce Southern California's dependency on peaker plants. In East Los Angeles, the Mira Loma substation has two 10-megawatt systems, which can store 80 megawatt hours. The site is comprised of 396 power packs. With the success of these early projects, Tesla developed an even larger capacity solution, Megapack, which has up to 3 megawatt hours of storage, the equivalent of almost 13 power packs or 30 Model S sedans. Tesla says if scaled to 1 gigawatt hour of energy storage, that would be enough to power every home in San Francisco for 6 hours. Apple is working with Tesla to build a 240 megawatt hour Megapack at its California Flats solar farm that powers its Cupertino headquarters. Outside of Houston and Angleton, Texas, Tesla has quietly been working on its first site in the state. Once complete, the 100-megawatt system will be capable of powering about 20,000 homes. When PG&E looked to integrate an energy storage solution, it said it received several proposals, but ultimately chose Tesla for this site. While Tesla has been aggressive in its rollout, it is unclear how profitable this business is for them. It does not break out energy storage sales from its solar business. In the first quarter of 2021, Tesla Energy revenues were $494 million, while costs were $595 million. But energy storage deployments grew 83% from 2019 to 2020, which the company said was driven mainly by the popularity of the Megapack. Batteries are the most expensive part of electric vehicles, and similarly, the large quantity of cells and utility-scale batteries make them costly. The average price per kilowatt hour for a lithium-ion battery pack is around $137, down from $157 in 2019. And there is the issue of resources. With electric vehicle production ramping up, there are concerns demand will outpace supply for materials to make batteries. Tesla is reportedly looking into changing to a cobalt-free lithium iron phosphate battery for its Megapack. The change in chemistry could help cut costs and ease demand for supply-constrained nickel-based battery production. The Biden administration has emphasized it wants to bring mining and cell production back to the U.S. To meet the growing demand, new types of battery technology are also being explored. And for certain projects, energy storage is being done through alternative means. As the world transitions to renewable energy, storage will continue to play an increasingly important role. And Tesla could become as important of a player in the energy industry as they have in the electric vehicle space.